Got my new sails from Raleigh Tasker, 140 Genoa, and my full batten main. Keith dropped off my battens here, so we're gonna check it all out, make sure it looks good, and go for a sail. Maybe not today, I'm racing today on someone else's boat, but this weekend I'm gonna pop them on and just gonna check to make sure they're the same size. We measured, Keith came out here from Raleigh Tasker, he's the local Annapolis sales rep, and he came to my boat one day. We took about an hour and measured everything and double checked it, so they should be good. But oh man, I'm so excited. They look great. There they are, look at that. It's got some sail ties. That's nice. Oh, they look so crispy and new. Oh, they look so good. Let's take them out of the bag. Got my old main here. I'm just interested to see how it compares to my new one. All right, there she is on top of the old. Got full battens. These look really robust with the webbing for the slides. Looks good. Got my insignia. You can see a couple inches longer on the roach, which should be fine. Oh, got my telltales, nice. 2 reef points. These look real beefy, that's good. And it's maybe slightly longer on the leech. It's coming down a little bit. I think that's fine though. Oh, it looks really nice. I'm so excited. Taking off these old sails, and I'll be putting on my new sails. Already took the main off the other day. These are the original sails when I got the boat, and you know, they're still in pretty good shape. Definitely some issues. Also along the leech, there's just a bunch of damage all along the beach, and they're pretty blown out and soft, and so it's time. I do want to get some new sheets, but I'll probably just use these for the time being. So you can see my luff tape is just really bad. There's so many spots along this edge that the whole luff tape would need replaced. So there it is. That's my old Genoa. Here we go. Don't want to get them dirty. Put them on the old. They're gonna get dirty, but try to keep them nice for now. I got the white UV luff tape. I just like the simple look. They look pretty nice. Looks like some nice quality stitching. So this is a 140 for sure. That's what it's spec'd at, so pretty much dead on there. Some people are probably freaking out because I'm putting it on the grass here, but they're eventually gonna get dirty, so no use being precious with it. All right, that's in the same spot. This is what I'm most worried about, is my luff. Look at that, that's spot on right there. That's perfect. And I got the luff padding, so this should help with the shape as you roll it up. And it looks good. Got my telltales on there. Got my leech line, that looks nice. Yeah, these look great. This fits perfect, I'd say. You know, interested to see how it might stretch, but I imagine it doesn't. You know, I know it's Dacron. This is just Challenger Dacron, so it's pretty basic, but good stuff. I did not get the draft stripes. I elected not to get the draft stripes. I just kind of like the look of a clean white sail. So I know people probably think I'm crazy for that, but just kind of traditional in that way, I guess. No, don't go in there. No, don't go in the dirty water. Okay. It's not too windy right now, so this shouldn't be too bad. Got Steve. All right. All right, give it a go. Is it hard? Yeah, they're on the bottom, in the cabin, on the floor. Doing it for the tube, man.
That's right.
Oh, wow. Yeah. Gotta break this baby in. All right, give me a little slag. Give me more. Oh.
Yeah, it's gonna need some slapping around.
It's gonna need some.
Slap that bitch.
Slap it.
You gotta get the wrinkles put in her.
Yeah, we gotta take it out in the storm. All right, give me all the slack. This thing is like no joke. There we go. That looks good. Yeah, it's just stiff.
That'll do.
Real stiff. Good. Thanks, man.
You bet.
All right, there's the main laid out on the Genoa. I'm gonna put these battens in. Yeah. Yeah, so they got the batten pocket. This little tool they gave me. I'm gonna slide it in there. All the way. That looks good. All right, yeah, and then
I guess you fished that to start it?
Yeah, try it out. Get up in there.
Almost doesn't seem like it's long enough to...
Oh, nice, yeah. That's cool. Is it not long enough? Just push it in there. I mean, that's all the way, I guess, right?
It's pretty good.
Got all the battens in. Fold this back up. Main on. Pretty easy to do. See if it fits in my old stack pack. I don't know about it. Might be tight. You think it's gonna fit? Yeah, for a while. Plus, I usually bring these down, these slides, but
That's the biggest thing.
that stopper, it's just the hole's too high up on this
Do
mast.
you see what I'm saying about? See how there's like a little threaded hole in that far side of the slot?
Yeah.
Half hole. I can make you a little plate.
Oh yeah, I need a plate.
and then
Yeah.
Just make that track go the whole way down.
Yeah, and then I don't even need this thing. That's what I need to do. Thank you, Steve.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm missing. Got these sails on. I'm following my friend Steve out. He's headed to Annapolis. I'm gonna mess around with these sails. We got full sail and everything's rigged up, so it should be ready to go. I will say I don't know if I'm going any faster. Feel like I'm not noticing an increase in performance. I know I can get my main halyard a little tighter. There's a little wrinkle at the bottom, but that shouldn't be too much of an effect. But they look nice. They look much nicer. Just kind of got a little rain on the horizon here. I don't know. Hopefully it doesn't rain on me. I don't have my rain jacket. Passing me, not fair. Got a fast boat. He's got 2 rudders, 12 more feet. Doing pretty good though here with these new sails. Headed back. That was a great sail with these new sails. They performed really well, I think. I feel like I was able to point a little higher, maybe a touch more speed than before. It's really hard to say, actually, if I'm being honest. But they look a lot better, and I do think they hold their shape better, and I think I had a little bit more pointing ability. Say we got like 10 knots, maybe 10 or 12 knots of wind, and yeah, I was able to zip around, do a bunch of tacks, and it works great. So I'm super happy. Recommend Raleigh Tasker in Annapolis. Keith's great. He'll help you dial in your sails and get you going. And it was a good value. And they arrived quickly. For me, it was like 5 weeks, I think. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. All those likes, thumbs up, comments all help. So feel free to leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Hope to see you out there on the bay.